All right, hep around the house. We had a pretty decent sized hickory nut tree come down. See that big tall one? Half of it came down. So I've been cutting it up. Well, but I'm going to show you that this thing can pull this, and I have no idea what this weighs. For those of us who've handled wet wood, it is freaking really heavy. So this thing pulls it like it's nothing. I'll have a compilation of pulling logs as I cut them out, and we'll format them into one video, I think. Okay, see if we can yank this thing, shall we? Let me show you what we got going on here. Got it connected right there. And again, I got it cut almost all the way through right there. So let's go see if we can yank this. That, look at that, huh? Oh, I think we're out of gas though. But yeah, look at that big baby. That was a royal pain. That did not want to come out. I believe that stock that weighs 600 pounds, 700 pounds, and then with weights, I've got weight in the back wheels. That's also why I haven't turned them around, because I recognize that the wheels on that are backwards. In other words, your tread is facing the wrong direction, but I don't care. There's chains on it. It's not going anywhere. I've got this one in 3 and this one in 1. So we're going to bump it up to 2 and see what happens. That is very heavy. That is very, very heavy. See what we actually got here. Let me show you. And then we'll cut the video, and then we'll go get another video. Back her up a bit. All right, I'm gonna go hook up to another log and we'll pull that for you. All right, here I am. This is the tree that split. You can see that hickory nut tree split and this fell. Right now I've cut this portion, which isn't very big, but I bet you it's super duper heavy because you're approaching a foot right here. Foot wide, and I didn't cut it all the way because I'm a wussy and I don't really super duper like cutting into heavy objects. So I cut them and then I let this beast break that little bit down right down here that isn't quite cut, because basically I think this thing is supported really well. You've got a big branch right there supporting the whole thing, but I don't want it to twist on me. I don't want to be anywhere near this if it moves. So I'll be on the tractor yanking. So let's yank this thing, shall we? Now usually I start off in first gear and end up going to third gear and just giving her hell, but let's see what happens. I'll tell you what, let's start off in second. Third, second. All right, let's see what happens. in our tire. Wonder where that came from. Look at that. Huh. That was heavy. Nice. Yeah, this little Power King, 1970 Power King, can pull. If you can pick one up, you can find them. I've seen them for 600 bucks, all the way up to 3,000 with a whole bunch of attachments. But boy, are they nice. Holy cow, that was heavy. It cannot handle much more than this thing right here. If you can, that's my foot. That's a big log right there. Heavy, heavy, heavy. But that's what I moved today. It doesn't take very long. Those things are beasts. Who would have thought a 1970 tractor would still be working some 52 or 53 years later? Half wrap around the house. Like the video? Hit the like button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.